Ever wonder if your LLC is operating within the law? A lot of business owners form their LLCs without keeping up with ongoing requirements, then find out later that their business isn't in good standing. Today, let's go over what it means to be out of compliance, how to check your status, why it might have happened, and what to do next. When an LLC isn't properly maintained, several issues can surface. The shield that protects your personal assets could be pierced if someone sues you. The state might even dissolve your LLC if necessary filings aren't made. Problems can also include complications with trademarks, tax issues, or title disputes. If your LLC has fallen behind, addressing it sooner prevents bigger headaches down the line. To start, verify your status directly through your state's official system. For example, if you're registered in Michigan, you can access the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, LARA, Business Entity Search. Enter your business name, your personal info, or your assigned ID. The startup info will reveal your current standing. If the LLC is listed as dissolved or not in good standing, it's a sign you need to act. Why might an LLC fall out of compliance? Common reasons include missed annual reports or fees, unpaid taxes, or changes in state rules that you weren't aware of. For instance, some states increase fees or alter filing deadlines periodically. Staying informed of these updates is crucial, especially if new requirements like mandatory B0I reports come into play. Failing to file can lead to costly penalties. If your LLC is behind on filings, here's what to do. For missed annual reports, visit your state's official site, usually the Secretary of State, to file those documents. Make sure your contact info, especially your registered agent's details, are current. Sometimes, non-receipt of notices or outdated addresses cause overlooked deadlines. Updating these details and paying any late fees is essential. Many states allow you to restore your LLC's good standing online, but it often involves additional fees and paperwork. In Michigan, the process includes filing Form 770 for restoration, which has its own fee. Other states may require a similar form. If your LLC has been dissolved, you might need to file a formal dissolution document before reestablishing it. Remember, missing these steps can lead to losing your business's legal status entirely. Beyond filings, ensure tax obligations are met. If the IRS or state agencies haven't received your returns or payments, resolve those promptly. It's wise to obtain an official certificate of good standing. This document proves your LLC is compliant and in good shape. Such certificates are often needed for licensing, bank accounts, or expanding into other states. If the situation is too far gone, your LLC has been dissolved and can't be reinstated, it's prudent to start fresh with a new formation. This involves setting up a new LLC, but be sure to identify what caused the issue initially so it doesn't happen again. Most importantly, staying ahead of compliance tasks is much easier with a reliable partner. Consider professional services that handle filings, notices, and updates on your behalf, helping you keep your focus on building your business. If you need guidance or specific questions, reaching out to Filing Fox at info@filingfox.com can save you time and stress. Protect your business's future by maintaining its legal standing. Regular checkups ensure you can operate confidently, knowing everything is sorted. Don't wait for problems to pile up. Tune into your compliance today.